Benders is the place where those songs Freemasonry, brotherhood we embrace. I'm talking about my brothers here, the ones who got my back. When life gets hard and times get tough, we never lose our track. We ride together, drink together, laugh until we cry. These Wednesday nights at Benders keep our spirits flying high. Brothers, that's what we are, brothers till the end. Every single Wednesday night, all my brothers I depend.